Let's see what he's working on today. I hear noise. Did you just go blind by looking in that shiny corner?
Cow.
Were you buffing it? I heard the buffer.
Look at that. Holy cow.
Wow, look at
That just barely touched it
Right
with
there.
a buffer. That's just the first little shot.
The buffing has begun, huh?
I just want to see how it's going to come out. I'm just going to buff this little area right
All
here.
right, I'm gonna come over here then. I don't want buff splatter on me.
Well, you're going to get it.
Better get your sunglasses
Oh
on.
my God. That side, that's going to kill your eyes.
Wow.
I like that. I am happy with that. Woo! Okay, that's just the first little bit. Let me put some of this on there and see what it does.
All right. What's that?
This is, this takes all the swirl marks out that you actually can't see. It's like a 3-stage.
Okay.
You cut 3 different.
What was the first thing that you put on there?
It was the heaviest cut.
All right.
Yeah,
And this is a little
like,
finer?
Like, it's just real creamy.
Right.
So, pull that baby off. And put this one on.
All right, so there's different pads.
Different grade pad. This is the ultra. You don't feel much difference, do you?
Not a lot, but
Not a
maybe
lot.
a
There's a
little.
little,
I do
not
feel a
much.
little, yeah.
We'll see what it does. Now don't look at that with both eyes.
Don't look at that with both
Just
eyes.
use one eye
You could go blind.
in case it knocks your eyes out. I can probably live with that.
I hope you can, because that's pretty darn shiny.
I think I can live with that.
Wow.
But fluorescent lights make it look. You can when you see the light. When
Yeah.
you look in places where you don't see the light. Not
Well,
much in there.
well, you can see the difference.
Well, no, wait a minute.
Look at that. Dang. There's more?
Well, you gotta put a little polish on it. Smell that? Smell good, though.
Oh, it
You
does,
smell
yeah.
God, that takes every tiny little piece of that stuff off. Don't look bad. Yeah. I may just sit out here and,
And look at it.
and you know what?
You get it really
This may be
shiny.
the only part of the car that shines. Yeah. Don't video any of the rest of it.
All right.
This is good enough right here.
All right.
Wow.
You got a little bit more to go, though. Good thing you've done all that sanding. Get your arms in shape for polishing now.
Thing is, for me, I got to see a little bit of improvement once in a while.
Oh, yeah.
To keep me going. Now, I got to finish the rest of the car to look
Yeah.
like that.
Well, there's the goal, the potential.
Wow.
Pretty amazing.
But no, I am happy with that. Okay.
Well, if you're happy, we're happy.
Hi, happy. Now, can you see the difference
Yeah.
in the wet shine and the real shine?